Hello guys, Colonel Ninny here.
There is no doubt that the IL-2 Great Battle series is by far the very best flight sim out there. There is strong community support for the multiplayer, and what is required to take this game to the next level are online tournaments. And that is what this video is all about.
LTD are moving on to the grand final.
That's awesome. Very proud of them, are we? Okay, so let's go find a team. We'll join the group. Find the team. What? There are no tournaments? I don't understand. Well, there are at least 200 players online. So if there are 500 people on Steam, that means that 250 of them are not playing online. Quite a difference between those numbers playing Counter-Strike and us playing IL-2. For aviation sims, War Thunder comes in at 18th place. So where do we feature? 893rd place, eh? But why? It is the very best aviation sim. What's the other competition? DCS. And they rank in at 327th place as the most popular game, with about 4 times as many players. So the question is, why do these other games have thousands of players and we only have a few hundred? And the answer is that it comes down to the marketing strategy of the gaming developer 1CGS. My understanding is that the majority of the fan base purchased the IL-2 Great Battles to play on the single-player mode. Which is such a pity because it leaves less than 1 or 2% of us in the multiplayer environment. And because it's such an excellent game, those 99% of people who purchase the game are really not getting any value for their money. Now, I understand that the developer needs to sell its product in order to stay in business and bring new products online. But with flight sim genres like World War I and World War II, there are finite dates that end those conflicts. So once all those DLCs and products have been purchased, what else can the developer do but to say, as it did with Rise of Flight, hey, the old engine doesn't work anymore, let's try this one, and by the way, please buy all the product once again. There really is nothing new to offer. These are all variations of a theme that's been done over and over again. And I cover these questions in my video, Doomed: What is the future of World War II flight sims? And as a developer, I would ask myself, how do I stop my fan base from going to other games? Of course, there's the obvious, let's have some tournaments, but what about some online training? We'll train you to play our game. There are any number of ways that the developer could be involved in the multiplayer world if it chose to. But for now, all the interest and the content is coming from the community. With great multiplayer innovation and design concepts such as Combat Box, Finish, Tactical Air War, AATC, Fight or Flight, Advanced and Secure Planes, Beloga, Beginner's Flying Service by the Gang, Flying Circus, Flugpark for World War I, Finnish Virtual Pilot, The Shooting Stars, World War I and World War II, and then Wing Walkers for World War I and II. All these teams have made a tremendous effort to help bring the multiplayer experience to you. So get in there, get flying, and watch my videos. I cover absolutely everything. Or, I think this one's on sale. If you've enjoyed this video and get some value out of it, please leave a comment and subscribe and like and all those usual things. But if you want to see more of these videos, specifically with the IL-2 Battle of Stalingrad, I've got about 150 training videos for you to look at. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.